welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple and fun recipe for the kids. This is a perfect after school snack. So I'm going to be making apple ring donuts. So there's no cooking or blending involved with this. So what I'm going to be using today is some peanut butter, some coconut yogurt, I've got some flaked coconut and some dark chocolate vegan choc chips, some crushed nuts, I'm using peanuts, and some raspberries. However, you can use a variety of nuts and fruit, whatever you like for this recipe, and some Happy Way vanilla vegan protein, which I'm going to be mixing in with the peanut butter and the coconut yogurt. So to make the donuts, I'm simply going to slice the apples into rounds and I'm going to decore them. You can do that either by using a knife, or I'm going to be using a icing piping nozzle just to create a nice round center. And then once I've got the round apple donuts, I'm simply going to ice them with the peanut butter and the coconut yogurt icing mixture, which I'm going to mix the protein in with, and then decorate with the nuts, chocolate, berries and coconut.